Hello and welcome. This will be a short video of the R71 updates. A few days ago I finally received the crankshaft back. The crankshaft was partially repaired. They did repair the crankshaft, but they didn't. The ex-owner did not repair the axle from both sides. So there was a lots of damage on this side of the axle and especially on this side. And also the pin hole was quite big and loose, and the flywheel that was on the vehicle when I bought it was also damaged, or it was incorrect for some reason. You can see and also this outer part was milled, so there are no marks here. Now luckily with the motorcycle when I bought it I also got the original flywheel. It was also damaged, so the inner hole was welded, same as this part, and then milled to fit. There is also small emblem of the BMW, and here all of the marks are still visible. So one of the biggest problems with the engine has been solved, and I also bought this part. The original was heavily damaged because the engine itself have been damaged. The bottom of the engine was broken, so this is the original part and it has lots of damage. So there was oil leaking on this part, and I was able to find another part in excellent condition. At this moment I'm missing only the original cylinder, but right now I'm speaking with some gentlemen and I believe that I will have them within few weeks. So all of the parts on the engine should be original except the carburetor.